Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making super duper cheesy spinach and artichoke dip. So we're going to be starting off with 4 ounces of cream cheese, and that is just half of a single pack. Then I'm going to go in with a big chunk of sour cream, and I'm also going to do a little bit of garlic as well. Then I'm going to go in with about half of a can of artichokes. Then I'm going to go in with my frozen spinach. If you use frozen spinach, make sure you drain all of the water out of it. And as you can see, I was using my lemon squeezer to kind of squeeze the water out. But this is optional. You can always do fresh spinach. Just make sure they're washed and cleaned, and you can just throw them in a pan with some butter and saute them. Now I'm just going to add some Parmesan cheese, and I'm also going to go in with some mozzarella. You can use as much cheese as you like. I love cheese, so of course I'm going to make mine extra cheesy. I pretty much used a whole thing of Parmesan and almost a whole thing of 16 ounces of mozzarella. And I'm gonna go in with some whipping cream just to thin out the consistency so it won't be so thick. It's okay if your mozzarella isn't shredded. It's all gonna melt together when you put it in the oven. It's up to you, but I am using the cheese that's on the deli side, the fresh cheese. I feel like it tastes a lot better, and also it melts easier as well versus the pre-shredded cheese. So, but it's all completely up to you and your preference. So now that you got your cheeses all in there, I am going in with some seasoning. I'm using Old Bay, garlic and onion powder, and a little bit of Tony's. I am also going to be adding shrimp to mine as well, which is why I'm using the Old Bay to give it a more seafood flavor. Make sure you taste it to make sure you have enough seasoning in there as well. And like I said before, I am putting shrimp in mine. I'm just going to lightly season it with the same seasonings I used in my spinach dip. So now you can place your spinach dip in your well-greased cast iron skillet or in a baking dish, and you want to bake at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And don't overfill your cast iron skillets. They will make a mess in your oven. Now I'm just gonna add my shrimp to the top, and then add some extra cheese on top. Do not be stingy with the cheese, you guys. And this is how they came out, all nice and pretty and delicious. It was extra cheesy, just how I like it. If you don't want to add as much cheese as I did, you don't have to. But like I said, I just love cheese. You see that? You see that? That's so freaking good. Oh my gosh. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.